China very well understands its Navy's limitation vis-à-vis the U.S. Navy. The most important element of power projection for a Navy is its aircraft carrier. China operates only one aircraft carrier named Liaoning, which is a Soviet-era warship intended for training. In comparison, the U.S. Navy has 10 aircraft carriers and huge surface fleet consisting of destroyers and many other supporting vessels. The newest Ford Class U.S. carrier costing $13 billion is far more powerful than anything China may attempt to build in 2 decades. Though China plans to build 2 to 3 new aircraft carriers, it will still be far behind in the race both in quantity and quality. So, the question is how China plans to counter the superior U.S. Navy. The answer is asymmetric warfare. In this type of warfare, opposing groups or nations have unequal military resources, and the weaker opponent uses unconventional weapons and tactics to exploit the vulnerabilities of the enemy. One example is the NATO building helicopter gunships during Cold War to counter the numerical superiority of Soviet tanks. It was perceived that a single gunship will be able to take down multiple tanks. Here are the 3 important elements of China's asymmetric warfare tactics. Aware of the U.S. dependence on space communications for basic military operations, China is developing anti-satellite weapons and anti-satellite laser beams. In January 2007, China fired its first anti-satellite missile, destroying one of its own aging satellites in outer space. In May 2013, China fired a rocket carrying no payload, over 10,000 kilometers into outer space. The absence of a payload such as a satellite suggests the rocket is designed as an anti-satellite weapon. China is also experimenting with laser weapons. The U.S. military has accused China of firing several laser beams at its satellites. Laser pulses can disrupt satellite communication and, depending on the strength, could destroy it. Chinese PLA Navy is not focusing on matching the U.S. carrier for carrier, or ship for ship. China has been deploying a growing number of silent attack submarines, both conventionally powered and nuclear powered, with submarines accounting for 45% of its naval combatants, the highest percentage among the world's major navies. It is also developing dozens of stealthy fast attack missile craft and corvettes such as the Ford Class. In narrow seas and close coastal environments, these vessels can be quite effective against larger crafts, particularly if deployed in swarm tactics. The DF-21A is reportedly designed to be an aircraft carrier killer, aimed at deterring U.S. aircraft carrier battle groups. It is one-of-a-kind anti-ship ballistic missile since it is a ballistic missile with homing capability, that is, unlike normal ballistic missile, it can be guided to meet a moving target, in this case a U.S. aircraft carrier or a destroyer. The speed of the missile is 10 Mach, and is the most potent area denial system in its armory. China's missile program has also progressed steadily in the area of cruise missiles, with accuracy and range improving rapidly. It is deploying thousands of surface-to-surface missiles near its eastern shore. The sheer number of missiles could overwhelm the state-of-art Aegis combat system, which protect the U.S. aircraft carrier battle groups from incoming missiles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting. Kindly provide your feedback in the comment section, it will help us improve. At number 5 in our list is Jericho 3. Jericho 3 is believed to be a 3-stage solid propellant missile and is capable of a payload of 1,000